Hi guys, this is Deepak with 91mobiles.com, and in my hands is the new Alcatel 3X, which is one of the 3 series of new smartphones launched by Alcatel at MWC. Now this particular phone comes with a 5.7-inch HD plus display, 18:9 screen, very slim bezels on the sides. It's quite slim, nice shiny finish on the back with a fingerprint scanner and dual cameras which comprise of 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel sensors. Up front is also a 5 megapixel camera. This phone features face unlock as well. Comes with a 3000 mAh battery, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB storage, a MediaTek 6739 processor, which is a quad-core chip clocked at 1.28 GHz. This phone runs Android Nougat with Alcatel's custom skin. Now there's a smaller sibling of the Alcatel 3X, which comes in the form of the Alcatel 3. Now this phone shares most of its specs with the Alcatel 3X, but gets a smaller 5.5-inch display. Also, the RAM and storage are on the lower side, 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB storage on this one. The cameras are the same 3000 mAh battery and processor. But interestingly, the smaller device runs the newer build of Android in the form of Android Oreo. The finish on this device at the back is slightly different, so it comes with a shiny, glossy back. So the new 3 series phones from Alcatel, the Alcatel 3X and the Alcatel 3. Thanks for watching.